Yes, there are three different ways of writing answers if we have this instruction. First of all, we'll take this part no more than 2 words. It means my answer cannot be more than 2 words. So my answer can be of exactly 2 words, you will say, or less than 2 words. It means I can write my answer in 2 or less than 2 words. This part is correct. And means both, and means with. So my answer can be of 2 or less than 2 words with a number. Now, if I write 70 Park Street, this answer has 2 words, one number. So it means I have both 2 words with a number. This part is clear. Then we come to this one, or a number. No more than 2 words or a number. Or means one of them. I'll have to choose either my answer can be of 2 words or less than 2 words or just enough. So if my answer is somebody's name or any 2 words, like if I say a car, the tree, yes, articles are taken as words or at the. So can you see these answers? They just have 2 words. Clear? Now, third method. 2 words or a number. It means my answer can just be a number also, or means one of them. So if I write somebody's phone number or something in percentage, or you can say time or a year. Now, I'll use the sign of percentage or EN here. These signs will not make any change in the position of these numbers. They are still taken as single number. Got it? Now, this part is clear. Now, the 2 words under a number. Clearly, we can see we have three different methods or ways of writing answers. First has both words and a number. Second will have just 2 words or less than 2 words also. Third will have just a number. So here my answer can be just a word, like if I say toy. So this is just a word. If the instruction changes from a number to the numbers, now my answer can have more than one number. And if the instruction changes to no more than 3 words, now my answer can have 3 or less than 3 words. So I think or I hope you will definitely understand.